Hi there, Zam here for NerdTube, and I'm feeding my birds again. They never really gave me an opportunity to start the filming, and then they come in and I can start feeding them. They're already all hammers and tongs on my goddamn sushi. So as you can see, Juicy here is on my arm, and she's already eating the sushi without even taking it from my mouth. And Brutus here is waiting for me to put something in my mouth so I can feed him. So I'm gonna feed him this lovely roll here. I'm probably wearing this shirt today. Get in my belly. Any guys and girls? Oh, Juicy. She's such a sweet girl. She really is. You're being a bit demanding, aren't you? I love my sushi. I fucking love it. Good girl. Hey, fat boy. Fat boy. Nice one. Alright, Juicy, calm down. There's gonna be nothing left for me. Juicy. Good girl. Good boy. Oh, my little finger and thumbs now, my chopsticks, for fuck's sake, here we go. Liking that, are you? You want more? Good boy. You're a good boy, aren't you? You're a good boy. You're a good boy. You're a demanding boy, but you're a good boy. You're a big fat boy as well. You're a big fat boy. Yes, you are. You're a big fat boy. Okay. Wait. He's totally distracted by Juicy, but Juicy's off doing something now. And he's wondering what the hell is she doing. You want more food, mate? No? Had enough sushi? I thought you'd love that shit. Okay. Looks like Brutus is totally... Nope. Yep, nope. Yep, he's totally distracted. So, I hope you enjoyed the feeding session. Thank you very much for watching. Have a nice day. I'll see you guys later. And don't forget to like, share, subscribe to NerdTube. Oh, excuse me. The greatest YouTube channel you never heard of. Take care. Bye-bye.